This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making Google Dialer your default phone app so everything routes correctly. Tap Open, then grant phone, contacts, and microphone permissions when prompted. This enables call handling and caller ID. Once done, accept the contact import prompt so recent numbers appear immediately, and let the app sync. This avoids missing contacts during calls. Make sure to confirm notification access for voicemail alerts. These initial steps get the dialer ready. They remove obstacles, so you can use advanced. You now learn to navigate the core interface. Type a name or number to get instant suggestions, and use the search field to jump to contacts. Once done, open settings to enable spam protection and visual caller ID so unknown numbers show context. Enable call recording if your region allows it. Use long press or swipe on a recent call to quickly call back, message, or add to favorites. This speeds repeated actions. Knowing these controls saves time and improves call clarity. Finish by customizing behavior so the dialer fits your workflow. Change ringtones, vibration patterns, and quick actions in sound and gestures so key functions respond the way you expect. Once done, add a direct dial widget or favorite shortcut to the home screen for one-tap calling. Enable visual voicemail for faster message playback. If something fails, clear the app cache, restart the phone, and confirm Google Dialer remains the default app. This reset fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.